friends, and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be talking about a magical tiny world in a tiny jar. So the materials required for this fun activity would be an empty jar, a few decorations if you want, cotton, and I'm going to be using Fevicryl clay, which will have 25 grams of hardener and 25 grams of resin, so in total it's of 50 grams. And then I will be using a few sticks and Fevicol. And what is a magical jar without lights? So I have already opened one of the packets. Once you open it, you'll find two things, 25 grams each, the resin and the hardener. So let's get started with our clay diagrams which we are going to put in our jar. Ta-da! There you have it, our very own little duckling. Now we are just gonna leave it so that it dries up. we are ready with our small figures which will be put inside the magical world jar. We are going to keep it aside so that they dry up. Now you don't have to be a master at all of this clay stuff, because even the math I have made is not that good. So you guys can just give it a shot. It's just for your enjoyment and entertainment. Afterwards you can laugh at it. So once we are going to just keep it aside, we will be painting it after it dries up, and then we are going to put it in our magical world jar. So now that we have our painted clays ready, let's assemble it and see how a magical jar looks like. So I have placed this human over here, and right behind that an artificial plant and a house, and to cushion it all I have put some soft paper. Now I'm gonna take a few pieces of cotton and I'm going to stretch around it. And to give the cloudy effect, I'm going to take the jar and the rest of the cotton I had put separately, and I'm going to place it all around. And what is a magical jar without lights? So we have our lights ready. Let's wrap it around. And there it goes. So now we have all of our things ready and placed in our tiny world. Let's switch on the light and see how it looks like. Voila! Comment down below how you like this video, and do share your own experimented part of your own tiny world. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.